My name is Greg Schinker. I'm the production manager at McFarlane Manufacturing. The uniqueness about McFarlane Manufacturing is we produce agricultural equipment, we do structural steel fabrication, we do painting, detailing, we have accounting, we have sales, we have purchasing. It's really a diverse opportunity.
Hi, my name is Coleman Fitzgerald. I'm a weld lead in the structural steel shop.
I'm Chris Johnson, and I'm the production supervisor and master scheduler here at McFarlane Manufacturing.
I'm Justin Busser, and I'm a painter. So over here we paint different colors, obviously. We have basically red, green, and sometimes we do black, full units.
I'm Colby Hossider, and I run in the aero department with all the guys here. So I weld all the drags that come through, and then I help Ish put them on the line, take them off the line, and stack them.
My name is Larry Smith. I'm in charge of building all the axles for our insights, and I have been here roughly about 7 months.
I originally went to school for criminal justice, and one of the extracurricular classes I took was a welding class, and I really enjoyed it, so I ended up doing that instead.
You know what, honestly, I didn't know I wanted to do welding until second semester of senior year. It's when I took it as an elective class and it stuck. And here I am 17 years later.
I started out as a general laborer. I did that for about 3 years. I started welding, and then I became weld lead person, and then I was promoted to weld supervisor, and a few years ago I was promoted to shop foreman and master scheduler.
I started towards senior year knowing that this is what I wanted to do. I took an auto body class. I wanted to paint. Painting became my interest. And I mean, they paint so much in the manufacturing business that you get a lot of experience.
I would say my favorite thing about McFarlane's is our flexible schedule. If I come in on a Friday, it's overtime. If I don't come in on a Friday, I'm on a golf course somewhere.
I feel like we work together really well. Everybody wants to do well. Everybody wants to do their best. If you're having a bad day, there's other people to pick you up.
I like the product we build. I love the people we work with. We joke we have a good time, but in all reality, we get the job done.
I like working with everybody here. They're all pretty cool and pretty relaxed and laid back, and it's like a big family.
We also have a lot of luncheons or suppers that they have posted here for us on special occasions. The McFarlanes actually come themselves too before COVID, and you know, they talk a bit and we get to actually see them. They interact with us, which is really nice. You know, you don't really see that anywhere else usually.
You're not just a number. You are a person. You're a human being. They're very family oriented. You feel like you are part of the team. You're respected as part of the team, and it's just a very fulfilling place to work.
Oh, A+, A for effort, huh?
Get out of here.